Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up usage-based insurance data review with Progressive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up usage-based insurance data review with Progressive, begin by visiting the Progressive website. Look for the insurance section on the home page. Click on Auto to explore auto insurance options. Find and select usage-based insurance within the auto insurance category. Read through the information provided to understand the benefits of usage-based insurance. Next, sign in to your Progressive account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create a new one by following the prompts for registration. Once logged in, navigate to the My Policies section. Locate your current auto insurance policy and click on it for details. Search for the option related to usage-based insurance testing or similar. Follow the on-screen instructions to enroll in the program. You may need to download the Progressive app if you haven't already. Install the app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. After installing, open the app and sign in with your Progressive account. Enable location services for the app to track your driving data accurately. Follow the prompts to set up the app, allowing it access to necessary permissions. Once your settings are configured, you can begin driving normally. The app will start collecting data regarding your driving behavior. Monitor your driving score regularly within the app. Review the feedback provided, which may include tips for improving your driving habits. After a specified evaluation period, Progressive will assess your data. You will receive updates on potential discounts based on your driving performance. Make sure to review any terms and conditions associated with your usage-based insurance. Stay informed about how your driving habits affect your premium. Feel free to contact Progressive customer support if you have questions. This ensures you maximize the benefits of your usage-based insurance program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.